Picture yourself in the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.